Hello and welcome to this video. Today we want to look at ListView. What is ListView and what is it used for? Now ListView, let's drag and drop to our phone screen on our system and let's see what it's used for. Now what ListView is used for is to be able to itemize certain things you want your users to see when they visit your application. Now let's scroll down and write certain things that our viewers can see. Go to elements from strings on your left and let's write let's say red, let's say blue, red, comma, blue, comma, yellow, comma, white, and that is that. So when you have that, so you have it already pointed out. So this is, you get to see red, blue, and that and that. So your viewers can come and see the list of certain things you've built, and then you can try to choose colors for them. You can choose that to choose the blue color or whatever you want to choose. You can try to choose element color. You can say probably gray or something, but whatever color you want to style them, you can try to style them. But that is how this you can do it. So when you connect this to your phone, you understand how this works. Let's drag a label and let's say put a label up here, and the label let's say let's use the search, make a choice. So have make a choice as a label, and let's make it bold and put a font size of about 30 to be good enough, and then put the text alignment to center, make it okay, perfect, and that's that. Good. So let's put alignment to center. So that's beautiful, perfect. So this is it. So let's go to the block section and see if we can do something with the block section. We'll go to the block section, click on ListView 1, and then when ListView, after picking ListView, what should our label do? So go over to label 1. On our label 1, we're going to look for label 1 text. Set label 1. I'll come here and pick text to ListView element. So come back to ListView and look for ListView elements and snap it in. So let's pick ListView elements, look for elements. So perfect. So this is it. So when you snap this and go back to your this and connect to your phone, you will definitely see the difference. So this is all you need to know about ListView. And for ListView, if you want to keep adding items, you can do that. You can always scroll down, click on ListView, scroll down, and you get to see where you get to say click to add rule and add something. You can click here to add. Let's say you want to add another column, as an orange or something. You can try to do that and then save, and then it gets to add up for you, or you just get to see only one. So that's where you can add and remove an item. Thank you for watching this video. Please do also like the video and watch out for the next lesson. Thank you.